Okay, another derivative here. Y equals x multiplied by x plus 5 to the 6. So we're thinking chain rule because it's a function to a power, but it's also a product rule here. So it's actually a chain in a product, so it's a bit of both here, isn't it? So we're going to set y equals to u times v. Now, u equals x. So if u equals x, u dash equals 1. That's a nice and easy one. So v equals x plus 5 to the 6. We'd really like just to go straight to our answer here, but that is a chain rule. So we want to set v equal to, now I've already used u, so let's go w to the 6, where w equals x plus 5. If w equals that, dw dx equals 1, and we're looking for dv dw, which is 6w to the 5th. You'll notice here how I'm using the dv dw's here, but I'm using u dash and v dash there. That's just my own personal taste, so I don't get confused when it's a little bit complex like this. So in the chain rule, I'm going to now go v dash is dv dw dx, dv dw 6w to the 5th, dwx is times 1, which is 6w to the 5th. W is x plus 5 to the 5th. So that's v dash, which is up there. So v dash is 6 x plus 5 to the 5th. Now, as you can see, I'm running out of room there. Clearly, this stuff here is because if you go from there to there, panel will think that you're doing that in your calculator. So you've got to show me that working. Even though you can see the pattern to get there, you've got to show me you're working. Otherwise, I can't give you full marks because it looks like you've just used your calculator. So clearly all I've done there is give myself a bit more room to do the setting out. You're not going to rub your working out in the test, are you? Okay, so now that we've got a u, v and u dash, v dash, we're back to our product rule. So our product rule is just y dash equals v u dash plus u v dash. And I've got that v u dash plus u v dash. Now, I could tidy that up a little bit, but if you can see, actually I can just do it here, just to save a little bit of room. That times 1 will just disappear, and that's a 6x, isn't it? Okay. Can you see here that we've got an x plus 5 in a bracket there and an x plus 5 in a bracket there? They're common. We've got two different terms separated by a plus, so it's a common factor. There are 5 of them there and 6 of them there, so there are 5 that are common. So I'm going to pull x plus 5 to the 5th out of both of those, and then what's left goes into a bracket. If I've pulled 5 of them out of there, I've still got 1 left here, and I've got a plus, and I pulled all of those 5s out, so I've got a 6x there. You can see here this bracket here, the little brackets here, really aren't needed because that's a plus. So you can see inside this big bracket here, that tidies up to become just a normal bracket, x plus 6x, 7x plus 5. So the gradient function, we always want a gradient function in factor form if we can get there. So y dash is x plus 5 to the 5th multiplied by 7x plus 5. nice and easy. That last little bit of factorising becomes nice and chunky when you get more complex functions to start with. So please make sure you practice a lot of them.